What's up, everyone? This is your full guide to go from $0 to $10,000 a month as a trader. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to master the basics. So the first thing is your asset class. What asset are you trading? Are you trading stocks? Are you trading futures? Are you trading crypto? Are you trading Forex? And within all of these assets, what is it that you're actually trading? I trade ES futures, so I'm trading S&P 500 futures. You might be trading NQ futures. You might be trading NASDAQ futures. You might be trading gold futures. You might be trading Bitcoin. So ask yourself, what ticker am I actually trading? And then the second thing you'll need is you'll need to understand what kind of trader are you. So there's four main kinds of traders. There's a scalper. That's what I am. A scalper stays in a trade from anywhere from 1 minute to 30 minutes. So if it's any longer than 30 minutes, I wouldn't really consider that a scalp. So scalps are fast, quick trades that are usually placed on high leverage. So for example, when I catch a quick move, I'm able to make a lot of money during that move because I'm trading futures contracts, and futures contracts are leveraged products. So the second kind of trader is a day trader. A day trader stays in the trade for a few hours or maybe even a whole day. So a day trader just means that you're in a trade for a day. So you're in a trade within the interval of a day. So if I enter a trade at 8 a.m. and I exit that trade at 11 a.m., that was a day trade. Now the third type of trader is a swing trader. A swing trader means you're in a trade for a few days or a few weeks. If I enter a trade on the 1st of the month and I exit that trade on the 6th of the month, that is a swing trade. The last kind of trader is an investor. So investors don't even really look at the charts. They just buy and they hold. So if I'm buying Apple stock and I'm selling Apple stock in 10 years, that's an investment. Investments are based more on fundamental factors and less on technical factors. So ask yourself, what kind of trader am I and what asset class am I trading? Once you have answered these two questions, you are on your first step to making $10,000 a month. Next, you will need three things. You will need a strategy, a trading plan, and a really good mindset. A strategy is a set of rules that determines what allows you to enter and exit a trade. So a strategy is literally just what am I looking at to enter a trade, what am I looking at to exit a trade, and what areas on the chart do I consider to be important. So for me personally, I like to use liquidity. I look at areas on the chart such as highs, lows, and opens, and I determine what reaction price is likely to have. I like to trade a lot of break and retests, bounces, and rejections. So that's how my strategy works. My premium members love my strategy because my strategy is very simple. So if you're a beginner, it can be very helpful to use a strategy like mine because it's very simple, it's not complex, there's no bullshit, it's very straight to the point. You can see right here that one of my premium members has been in premium for only a month and he's already executing his own trades using my strategy. So he's charting and he's executing trades, he's making money using my strategy, and he was a complete beginner a month ago. So he went from a complete beginner to somebody who's already making money in the stock market in under a month just by using my strategy and working with me. He's a lifetime member of the premium community, and all lifetime members get complete access to me, so he can text me at any time, reach out to me with any questions he has, and I'll help him. And I've been doing that with him, I've been working with him, and he's able to make his first profit in the stock market, which is really, really cool to see. The second thing you're gonna need is a trading plan. A trading plan is a list of rules that you set for yourself before you trade for you to follow. So on my trading plan, I have that I am trading from 8:30 to 10:30. I'm willing to lose $1,000 before I walk away for the day. I am trading ES futures and I'm looking for 1 to 4 risk to reward trades, and these trades are scalp trades. The third and the most important thing that you're gonna need is a strong mindset. Trading is a very, very hard journey. There will be a lot of ups and there will be a lot of downs, literally and figuratively. Your account balance will go up and down, and your mindset will go up and down. There could be a day where you made money, but you could have made more money, so your mindset is messing with you. So one of my tips for mindset is that you cannot let the outcome of the trade affect you. You have to focus on the process. So if you lose a trade or if you win a trade, your reaction should be the same. Right? You should be unemotional, and obviously after the trade, you can get happy and you can celebrate, and after you're done with the trade for the day, you can say, okay, this was how much profit I made today, or this was how much money I lost. But until you're done trading for the day, you should not be celebrating or you should not be sad. You should focus purely on the process behind your trade, focus on the strategy, focus on the criteria that will determine if you enter and exit a trade. Because if you focus on the outcome of the trade, your brain is going to get attached to the outcomes versus the process, and the outcome is not what makes you money. The result of your trade is not what makes you money. What makes you money is your ability to find great setups and to look at the chart and say, okay, this is a place where I can put on a trade and potentially make money. So if you focus on putting on great trades, finding great setups, this will make you much more money than focusing on did the trade lose, did the trade win. As many of you know, fear is not a helpful emotion. The only thing fear does is fear keeps us alive, right? So at a very basic level, fear is okay because it keeps us alive and makes sure we don't do stupid things like run in front of cars. But we do not need all of the fear that we have. In the modern day, humans are way too fearful. We're scared of everything, right? So fear can cloud your mind. Fear will cause you to make terrible decisions. So if you're looking at the chart and you're making a really bad decision, it could be because you're fearful of the outcome. So one way to know that you're fearful is if you have butterflies in your stomach. If you feel nervous before you're taking a trade, this is a sign that you're fearful. If you want to be less fearful, I highly suggest risking less money. A lot of times, the reason that you're scared is because you're risking too much of your account. If you have $1,000 in your account and you're risking $800, of course you're going to be scared, because if you lose that trade, it's not good at all. It's going to affect you significantly. So make sure that you're only risking 1 to 2% of your account. So that way, when you do get that fear, you're still able to execute. You're still able to make clear decisions, because you want to be trading like a robot. You want to be unemotional, and you want to have very clear rules on when you enter and when you exit. And if you're trading with emotions, if you're fearful, you're going to be trading on the wrong side of the markets. You're going to be trading with emotions. You're not going to be trading with logic. These three things, your strategy, your mindset, and your trading plan, come together, and we call this your system as a trader. So whenever somebody asks, what's your system? They're talking about your mindset, your trading plan, and your strategy. So your system is pretty much how you trade and who you are as a trader, what makes your trading style unique to you. Now, after you've created your system, you then have to focus on having good risk management and consistency. Risk management is risking a small percent of your account, so that way, if the trade goes wrong, you're still good to go. I personally recommend risking 1 to 2% of your account, and ideally under 1% of your account. This way, if you lose a trade, you're not going to be all stressed out, you're not going to be all emotional, you'll still be good to go, and you'll still be trading with a clear mind. Also, if you're risking too much of your account, even if your system's good, if your risk management is not good, you're just going to end up losing all your money, because whenever you lose a trade, it's going to take out your account. So if you want to succeed as a trader, if you want to reach that mark where you're making $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, you have to have good risk management. If you don't have good risk management, you can have all this other stuff right, but you just won't make money. So risk management is what will allow you to either grow your account or shrink your account. And a lot of people shrink their account because their risk management is terrible, so their account ends up going down instead of up. So if your risk management is terrible, you will never make any money. If you have good risk management and you combine good risk management with your system, you can put these things together and you can make money as a trader. Once you have a good system and you have good risk management, you just need to make sure that you're consistent. You need to make sure that every single day you're showing up and you're following through with your plan, with your strategy, and that you're following your rules. If you are able to manage your risk responsibly and do all these things, you are well on your way to making $10,000 or more a month as a trader. Now remember, $10,000 a month is not your end goal. Your end goal is to become the best possible trader you can be, and $10,000 a month will just be a milestone that you hit on your way to becoming the best trader that you can be. If you're doing all of this alone, it'll take you a long time. You're looking at 2 to 3 years minimum to become a profitable trader. Now, if you're a part of a community, you will learn much, much faster because you're surrounded by people who are already profitable, who are already making money. Personally, I joined a community when I was trading, and it helped me a ton because I was able to see that people were actually making money, and I was able to learn from people who were just a little bit better than me and could show me exactly what I was missing. If you'd like to join the premium community, you can join by clicking the link in the description of this video. I'll see you all soon.